What is a Vaillant system boiler? When I'm using technical language such as combination boiler, what you may have heard this referred to may well be a combi boiler. So if you do hear me use the term combination, what I am actually referring to is probably what you've heard of as a combi boiler. As you can see, I'm sat in a loft space at this moment in time, and hanging behind me is a Vaillant system boiler. There are three main types of boiler that we have, one being a conventional boiler used with open vented systems, your combination boiler for instantaneous hot water, and your system boiler, which works with the unvented system like the one I'm sitting with today. The system boiler itself, which works with the unvented system, has an internal pump, a fan, and works on a pressurized system rather than a conventional boiler which would work with a gravity fed system. A system boiler itself will have less components than a combination boiler, for example, where a combination boiler would have an internal diverter valve, and the combination boiler would have a internal plate-to-plate heat exchanger. The system boiler is a simpler version of that, because the system boiler would not know the difference between heating and hot water. It would simply want to know which way would you want my water to go, because it would see the cylinder simply as another radiator. So they are a very, very good and efficient type of appliance, which will have good running times and long life due to the components that are inside the boiler, or lack thereof, compared to something like a combination boiler.